Video I'm showing you 3 ways to find out if someone has deleted or blocked you on a Snapchat. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Firstly, the first way is you have to search for the user that you want to find out that he has blocked you or not. So you have to search for the username, and you if you don't saw the usernames in the search result, then it may be the has blocked you, or his account is deleted. So to confirm that, the second way comes out. So firstly, in the second way, what you have to do is you have to ask for your friends to search for the username, and if they can't saw the username, if they can't also see the usernames in the their search results, then it means that the username has deleted their account permanently. But if they can see the usernames in their search results, then it means that the user has blocked you. So that's basically it. So, and the third way is you can also double check it by other friends, and then you can also double check it by searching for some for 2 or 3 times, and then you can do this. So that's basically it, that how you can know that someone has blocked you on a Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.